when it comes to dental implants? I think you called it the dream office or your dream office, what you've always wanted.
That's right. I think we've created the most state-of-the-art dental implant center in all of Washington.
Yeah, but isn't it true though? I mean, if you've been wearing a denture, let's say 10, 20 years, you can't do this. You don't have enough bone.
Well,
is that true or not?
It's true that that's being said, and people are told that every single day. And you know what? In the offices in which they are told, that's true. I don't think it's a dishonest thing. But the reality is that there are so many techniques now, there's so much more technology now that allows us to utilize that and make things possible that just weren't possible before.
Okay, nice. How it's typically done, and correct me if I'm wrong, we want to make sure we don't exaggerate here, but it's typically done in 2 or 3 offices. You go to one doctor that does the surgery, a periodontist oral surgeon, and then you go to another doctor that puts the teeth on top, and then you get them maintained elsewhere. Now you do all 3 parts right there.
That's right.
Is that why you do it so quickly?
So, I mean, unfortunately, it's an even more laborious process than you just described. It is accurate. So, yes, we do everything in-house. So, the person that is, placing the implants, that's making the teeth, that's maintaining the teeth, that's all right here. So, the buck stops with me, and it's all happening within our office. You're not having to go all over the Tri-Cities and all over creation trying to get your mouth fixed. Now it's a one-stop shop.